Hey everybody, I'm back once again, and yes, we're now going to show you the stock application for messaging on the Galaxy S4. I'm going to show you the settings and the customization options. So, let's check it out. So this video is for all those people that keep saying, Sam, can you please make the video? You did it last year, we want to see it again for the S4. So for those people on the S3 that don't want to see this video, then just click away now. It's going to be a very similar video to last year's. So jump into the messaging. One quick tip for you when you're on here. If you want to call somebody straight away, instead of having to go into it and find them, you can basically just swipe and you can then call them straight away. Obviously there's no number for that one, so you can't, but you can do it for somebody that's got a number. So as an example, swipe and it would call them. Alternatively, you can go the other way, just like you can in the contacts, send them a message, but if you're there, you might as well just take a message anyway. Why not? So as you can see here on the main page, what you can do is increase the size, which we'll show in the settings in a moment, by pressing your volume up and down. So as an example, I want to make it bigger. Press the volume up, press it again, and bam, look how big that goes. And when you go smaller, you can go that small, so you can go really tiny up to massive, and that's something that I'll give props to Samsung for giving those options straight out of the box. Now obviously you can attach things in your text messaging, so you can do an image, you can do a video, audio, your calendar, a memo, location of contacts, or if you've not got them on your device already for these three, you can shoot them straight away. So for example, you want to click take a picture, jump straight into the camera application, take a picture, and away you go. So anyway, let's jump out of that one. And it wants to resign itself. So that's it, that's what it looks like. But you're thinking, can you change this? Then yes, you can. And I've just really quickly, you can actually make a telephone call and also delete a message there. Just go out of there and let's go into the settings as such. So go straight into your settings. So as you can see here, we're going to go through them. You've got to delete your own messages, yes or no. Text message limit to 200, multi-messaging. These are pretty much standard, which most people don't want to change. If you want to change them, then you can do, but I recommend just leave them as they are. So delivery reports, I don't have it turned on because some networks in the UK do charge for that, so I don't have it turned on. Input mode, GSM, alphabet, Unicode or automatic. I recommend just sticking to GSM personally. Obviously for MMS messaging, if I get my words out, you've got all your different settings here. Creation mode, again, restricted, warning and free. I have it on free. I don't really use MMS, I use WhatsApp and stuff like that. But this is the thing a lot of people want to know about, the customization. So you've got your bubble style, your background style, and using that volume key. So if you untick that, when I showed at the beginning with the volume key, you can't do that if that's unticked. So go into the style, as you can see this is your stock one. You can change it, so as you can see there, as I flick through them, you can change them. So let's say I want to go for something a bit different and a bit different for me. Click save, now that's saved it. Now you can actually change the background style as well. I recommend click having a black one because it just saves on battery life. But if you want to be a bit more adventurous, then you can have that. We're going to go back to and show you in a moment. So you got your push messaging, service loading, prompt, never or always, CB activation. It's not something we really use over in the UK, so it's not something I've turned on. Notifications, now yes, you can turn your notifications off. If you want to have text messages but not get notified, then you can turn it off there, which I think is pretty cool, but I don't know why you'd want to turn them off, so yeah, I don't know why you turn that off. Message alert repetition, now this is one that I think is pretty cool. You can have it once, every 2 minutes or every 10 minutes. So let's say you've not read it or you just left it at the top of the notification bar, it'll tell you every 2 minutes or every 10 minutes that you've got that notification there, you've still got that text message. You can add a signature. I don't know why you'd want to text personally, but if you want to, go right ahead and add that signature. And you've got your spam settings as well, which I think is really cool. So if you're getting fed up with somebody messaging you, or you've got an old boyfriend or girlfriend and they keep messaging you, but it's not to the point when you want to alert the police, then you can basically block them on there and put them into the spam. Let's go out of there, let's go back into there, and just to show you, you can search, you can delete the whole threads, draft messages if you've got if you save them from previously, lock messages, schedule messages, and your spam messages. So you can check those people have sent you messages, you can actually have a look at them and go to the spam folder. Now as you saw there, if I go back into this one, well hey, it's changed to the really ugly looking one that I chose. But yeah, that should show you what it would look like, and then it does save it for you. And that's it people, that's the settings and the customization options on the Samsung Galaxy S4. What do you reckon? Are you impressed? Are you not impressed? Personally, I think for an out of the box experience, I like the messaging application. Yeah, it's a bit blocky and not very futuristic. It looks very kind of bland, but it's functional, it works, and I like it. So yeah, I don't see the need to change it for me yet. But what do you reckon? Will you change it? Will you go to something like Chomp or Handcent, something like that, or maybe Go SMS Pro, I think it's called. Anyway, people, I'm going to finally get off. I'm going to finally stop rambling into your ear. If you do like the video, please do hit the like button. It is very much appreciated. Subscribe for more videos, and yeah, leave me a comment down below. Tell me what you think. Anyway, people, thanks for watching, and I'll definitely see you in my next video. Cheers, everyone.